Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chuaahh. So today I'll be doing a sort of first impressions slash makeup tutorial with, oops, that was backwards, the Manu MUA Lunar Beauty Lights a Drag palette. I have the brush already taken out, so these are the colors. Of course, I already didn't show y'all the colors so many times in this video. Don't know how many times I'll show y'all. And here's the mirror. It's so pretty. Like, I actually like how the packaging looks like. It's a little dark since I already created the eye look. But I really like the cover. It's his eyeballs. I mean, some people were saying that he was copying Chuaahh Beauty. He was copying Sugar Pill Cosmetics for these colors right here, these bright colors, and blah 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 blah. Who cares? Everything's about the same in makeup, so everything looks about the same. So honestly, why do people care? Everything's gonna look the same no matter what. Like, come on. Anyways, and I really like how the box looks with the palette. It's so shiny, and it's like, mirror, you can see myself in the mirror. Like, you see that? It's me. Hey. And I really like the cool gold glitter lettering. It's just so pretty. So, I mean, my fingerprints are gonna show, but who cares? Just showing you the box how pretty it is. If you want to see how I create this eye look with this palette, just keep on watching, and I'm gonna start with the swatches. So let's get to that. I have the Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette right here. I've been having it about a week and I haven't touched it or swatched any of the colors yet. So this is going to be first impressions on this palette. I mean, look at this packaging. It's so shiny and I can see myself in it. Dude, that shit is shiny. Like, holy crap. And then the glitter lettering. That's really pretty. Don't mind my nails. I'm going to get my nails done soon so they're little curled out. All this stuff in the bag. I'm pretty sure on his video he reads this, so if you want to check that out, I'll put that link down below. We're going to open this up, and here's the palette. Look how pretty that is. His eyeballs. And then the back of it says Lunar Beauty, and then the little Lights a Drag. That's actually really pretty. I like the color, rose gold coloring. And of course his handles right here. Here it is. And it comes with the brush right here, and here's the mirror, and it says be a queen, and the brush just fell out. And here are all the colors. Make a look with this and try out the colors. I'm gonna swatch these and see what kind of colors I'm gonna use for the eye look. I don't know what I'm gonna create. We're gonna actually wing it, so. I really like how the palette looks like. It's nice and heavy. It doesn't feel cheap at all. Eyeshadow feels really protected in it. I really like how the mirror looks like and stuff. So here you go. Right here. Try to line you off. I really like that white iridescent color that's on the white part, and of course on the back. We're gonna swatch the top row. I kind of played with 3 of the first colors. And I was actually filming and I kind of messed up, so we're starting this part over. We're gonna start with Cake Face first. Ooh, that's actually pretty nice for a white. It's kind of sheer. Pretty nice on white. It's picking up on the camera really good. I like that. Look at my highlight. Sickening. I really like this transition color. And then the next one is Hunty. So I'm going to actually swatch these two at the same time because these two are pretty much a transition color and they're really pretty. And I would use any of these two for any transition color for whatever look I would be going for. White. It kind of matches my skin color a little bit, not really. I really like the feel of these eyeshadows. They feel pretty freaking nice. That's the next one. That's Hunty. The pigment's pretty nice. I mean, you can see that on camera. So the next one is a pretty shimmery color, and that's B, and it's this one right here. That one feels, ooh, look at that. That would be a pretty highlight color. That is so shiny. So we're going to put that right underneath Hunty. Look at that. Oh my god. That is so pretty actually. The next one's going to be Campy. It's this pretty bright yellow color right here. I've been looking for a nice yellow, so hopefully this would be a good yellow. This kind of feels powdery and I'm like, rubbing on it with my finger because the first 3 mats feel really nice. So hopefully this is bright because I need a bright yellow. Let me redo that because I'm using my pinky. Yeah, it's pretty bright. It's kind of patchy a little bit, but it's a finger swatch. We'll see when we use it on eyeball. And the next one is Pageant King. Queen is this pretty bright electric purple right here. This one feels creamy. The yellow one kind of felt weird compared to the other ones. We're going to put that underneath that yellow. Ooh, that's pretty nice. Kind of ran out eyeshadow towards the end, but that's pretty nice pigment right there. And the last one on the first shirt is Kiki, and that's pretty like minty color right here. So usually with those colors it's kind of patchy, so we'll see. Kind of feels like the yellow, so we're gonna see how this one swatches. So the light colors are kind of patchy, so we're gonna go to the second row, which is all these colors right here, and I've been down to use these 2 right here. The first shade on the second row is this black color right here called Shady. It kind of feels like the yellow color. It's kind of chalky. It's giving me some, what's it called? What's the word? I was about to say it, I forgot. Kickback? So it's gonna make some kickback on that color a little bit. This black looks pretty pigmented on my finger, so we're gonna see on my arm. Okay, that's pretty black. I like that. I really like my blacks to be really black. So the next one's gonna be Trade. This is reddish brown color right here. That one feels creamy. So we're gonna swatch right underneath that. Ooh, that one's pretty. Mug right here. A light brown color. That one feels creamy too. Did I put enough on my finger? Kind of came out patchy. Nope, it's pigmented. It's Legendary, and it's this shimmery color right here. Wait, right here. So it's this gold color. That is so pretty. So we're gonna do that right underneath that. Bam, look at that. Ooh, so pretty. Even though kind of the black mixed in it, but that kind of looks cool, that effect. So next one is this hot pink color called Kai Kai. That one feels like the yellow too. That's okay. It's pretty it's pigmented enough for an eyeshadow, and it stained my finger. I have a feeling it's gonna stain my arm. So next one is this pretty dark red color called Snatched. That one feels really nice. I think I'm gonna use this color too. Ooh, look at that. That is so pretty. And the last color is Fishy. It's this pretty bright blue color. Is it shimmery? Kind of looks shimmery. Yeah, it has a little shimmer to it. And there you go. That's pretty pigmented too. I like that. Here's the brush. It says Lunar Beauty right here. It's the little packer brush right here, and a little blender side, and it's synthetic. Some of the hairs is kind of falling out, kind of sticking out, if you can see that. Even this side too. See, hair fell out. It's a little shedding. I mean, it kind of feels cheap. It's really light, but I usually don't use the brushes that come in the eyeshadow palette, so I really don't care. But just to let y'all know, since first impressions and all that, it feels really cheap. I will try this brush with the eye look too, see how it blends the eyeshadow and how it packs it on too. I'll let y'all know what my thoughts are on this palette since we're about to do an eye look. For the swatches so far there, some of the comments are eh. So we'll see about doing it on my eyes. Yeah. Let me get started on my eyes. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit closer. Start using the color Sickening actually. I have my eyelids primed and all that, so we're going to get started on this eye look. Yeah, the pigment is pretty nice on the eyelid. Who else got the palette? I know there was like a lot of like trouble trying to buy the palette on the day it was released because yeah, some people's credit cards weren't working for some reason. I don't know. So the next color I'm going to use is Snatch, this pretty red color right there. So I'm going to pick someone down on my brush. A lot of kickback, like I said with this palette so far with most of these colors. A lot of kickback. And my nose itches. Oh yeah. So we're just going to put that right underneath that transition color. The next color I'm going to use is Snatch, this pretty red color right there. So I'm going to apply this on the outer V, and as you can see, this is really hard to blend out. Like, yeah, it's just still in the crease. It's not wanting to blend out at all. It's kind of blending out patchy, but it looks so pigmented on the camera. So I went back and dipped into Sickening, just try to save this, and yeah, we'll see. Next color we're going to use is Trade right here, this pretty maroonish red color, brown color. So I'm just going to apply that in the inner crease and just keep applying my previous colors and keep blending up more and more until I like it. Again, if it's any patchy, because that Snatch color, it came out a little patchy when I was applying it, but applying the other color on top of it doesn't look patchy at all. It blended out pretty nice. I really like how this is going so far. And what do y'all think about my brows? I've been doing it a little differently lately because I don't feel like spending too much time on my brows. This brow is still fucked up because I have a scar, so ignore that one. This one's the nice one. Kind of do a wing effect and kind of bring it back in and kind of blend that back into the other colors. Yeah, you'll see what I mean. So I'm trying to do a smoked out wing effect, so I'm just going to apply my liner right on top of that, but as you can see, there was a lot of fallout, and you're going to see me get really frustrated with this color because it was so hard to blend out. It was a bitch, and I was just getting really mad at it. So yeah, this color was really hard to blend out, that's all I could say. And the brush was so shitty, I had to just throw that away because it was not blending anything at all. It did not work. It was so cheap and piece of shit, I didn't like it. It was really hard to blend. It was a bitch to blend, honestly, because you put the black on there, it just doesn't want to blend out. It's just so annoying. Dude, that took me forever to blend this eye out. This is how good I can blend it out. I mean, I like the other two colors before I put the black, so I think I kind of ruined this look, but we're going to see. So the next color we're going to use is B. So I'm going to do a cut crease. So I'm going to do like a half cut crease, you know. So I'm just using my concealer just to cut that crease. I'm just going to apply Beat Right on top of that and just pack it on top of there, and look how pretty that color is. Then I'm using Snatch just to blend those two colors in. I like that a lot. That's pretty pretty. What do y'all think? So I'm going to do the other eye off camera because cut crease takes a little too long. I'm applying Kai Kai right underneath the lower lash line and just smoking that out, and towards that wing that I created, just smoking that lower lash line out a lot. And it's kind of sheer on the lower lash line, but yeah, that color is really sheer.
So I'm applying all the colors I used on my crease on the lower lash line just to deepen it up. Snatch, Trade, and Shady. And I'm just using a little bit of Shady on the outer corner of that lower lash line just to deepen that up a bit, but not too much.
I'm applying my liner and lashes, and I'll be right back. So my final thoughts on this palette. I mean, I like it, but I wouldn't spend my money on it, honestly. I could get all these colors on any palette that I have in my drawers right now. I really do like the feel of some of the metallics, some of the mattes. They're really nice. I really like the two shimmer colors. Those are just so pretty. Those have to be my favorite ones in this palette. Other than that, like, it has a lot of kickback. This black stains everything. It's like everywhere right now. It's like all over the back of this. Like, it's like all over my hands. It's just, I can't get this black out. I mean, the black is so hard to blend. Some of the colors are a little chalky, but most of them neutral matte colors, they're really nice and creamy. Those are pretty. I really like those. And then some of the colors are like, eh. I mean, I like the colors I use on my eyes too. I really like the eye look. I crave, other than the black being such a bitch to blend out. I mean, I do like the palette, but I wouldn't spend my money on it. I just wanted it because it's by Manny, and yeah, I just wanted to be up to date with all the in stuff, and now I'm broke as fuck. So I mean, I like the packaging. I really like the box it came with. It's pretty, it's shiny, it catches my eye. I mean, it would catch anybody's eye. This palette, it's pretty. Like, anybody would buy it because it's pretty. And then the colors of the palette, it's nice. You can do anything with this. You could do like colorful looks, you could do neutral looks, you could do just about anything. I want to say with this, I just wish it was a little bit more, another like shimmer color or something. It's a good palette, but I wouldn't spend my money on it. So comment down below what y'all think about this eye look. Do y'all like it or not? And what are your thoughts on this Manny palette too? Did y'all get your hands on it? And if y'all did, what do y'all think about it? Because I want to know y'all thoughts on this palette too, because I mean, I've seen so many mixed reviews on this. I mean, so far the palette's okay for me. It's not like I need to get my hands on it. So that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial slash review on the drag palette with MUA. I hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know your thoughts on this palette. I mean, y'all already know what I said on this. It's okay for me. Other than that, I wouldn't spend my money on this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos, and don't forget to follow me on my other social media. That'll be right here somewhere down below on the screen. And I'll have all the stuff that I use, well, not all the stuff, all the colors I use in this video down below, so all that will be in the description box. So this palette is I don't know if this palette is good for me. It's okay. That's all I'm gonna say. It's okay. I'm not gonna say it's a yes or a no, so it's okay. I'm in the middle of it. I'm in the middle. So yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.